Hello guys, I would like to update the status of the mobile. I had been to Samsung store and they have done the checks like Q test and Q other test and all. So first initially they have tried changing the software. I mean basically the upgradation of the software. Like so they asked me to do the factory reset. So then they have checked with the software changes, and that didn't work. So there was an issue in this area itself. So they tried to find out so if there are any water drops inside the hardware, inside the the phone, so then the warranty will not be accepted. So they did try opening the phone, and it was not, there were no water drops, and I mean they agreed to change the display issue. So they found there is any display issue on this particular part of the Samsung A50, and the rest of the part is working, but not not as earlier. So they are also not aware like why it happened. So they said they have to check with the company, and they have to get the replacement of the particular hardware. As I said in my previous video, exactly 14 days, within 14 days, if the device has some issues, then Samsung will return, will exchange it if there is a genuine issue with the device. But my device, which was my phone was taken on 8th of March, and today is 23rd of March. So as per the Samsung, it is they calculated including 8, 9, 10 like that. So till 23rd it is 15 days already. Today is 16 today. So they are not accepting that phone is already 16 days old, so they cannot provide with the go with that policy. So the only option is changing of the display, so replacement of the display. So for that they told it will take at least 10 days, maximum of 10 days, so which is also long period, and I don't understand why it takes 10 days time for them. And I need to provide a few details to Samsung. First thing is they asked me to send a mail to this particular mail ID, blr.face-to-face f2f at rlogic.com. I need to provide the tax invoice copy of which I have taken from Amazon. Okay, so and one more thing is they clearly mentioned here, touch not working, fail. So this is the copy I have received from Samsung store. Today, it's like today's date, this is, and around 14:02 minutes this was the copy was printed. And then he must be wondering why am I holding this phone. So this is the phone what they gave me as a standby, so I need to use this phone for the next 10 days. There's a dent here, and you see here there is a dent at the bottom. So they also mentioned that only downside dents. This is what I have information from Samsung. I need to go back to Samsung store on April 3rd. So I'll update you guys. Is it possible to get the phone in 10 days, or does it take time? So I'm not sure, so I'll update you guys accordingly. See you guys, bye bye.